I've done concrete for 30 years, but I had no kind of retirement, no health insurance, and nobody really looking out for me now that I'm getting older.
They get into laborers and they see this opportunity, what we have and what we can do, and they just flourish. It's unbelievable. We do a little bit of everything that's on the ground.
Being a laborer, you're doing kind of a lot of the work on the ground.
We do pipeline work, all the ground work and pipeline, that's us.
Pipe fitters, you work with operators, carpenters, all over the job site.
You know, we tend the carpenters, we tend the masons.
Different kinds of scaffolding, we hoist and rigging.
We're the ground guys getting it done. The laborers is, I like to say, we are the craft of second chances.
Yeah, I'd say it changed my life, definitely, especially just coming from just Walmart.
I was doing basically the same thing I'm doing now, just cheaper and unsafer.
I always wanted to get into construction. You surround yourself with successful people and it opens doors for you.
My cousin actually got into this and was like, hey man, you know, we're not young anymore. We need to start thinking about retirement and benefits, and here I am.
Like me, my story's not the best. I didn't have the best past. You know, and the laborers gave me a chance and here I am.
You know, just in a month, I was able to move out, get my own place, own car, and it's steady work throughout the whole year.
When they come to apply, they need to be 18 years old, have a driver's license, be able to physically do the work, pass a physical, pass a drug test, and either have a GED, high school diploma, or pass a TABES test. Basic math, basic reading, just the basics. We actually got a website, fill out an application, get sit straight in. If you want to get into construction trades, go to wvtrades.org. So we're actually a 4,000 hour program. We do a first year that you get your Gen Cons and
it's general construction class. Make sure you can read a tape measure, use a hammer.
Pipeline of concrete, so that's 4 weeks. So we broke that down into 2-week intervals so we can get people in here, get them trained in Gen Con, get them out to work. Then we got what we call second year. We'll get them in there 2 weeks at a time, and then we got our environmentals. They come to training, we got dorms, we got 3 meals a day for them. Whatever they need while they're here training, we provide for them.
And wonderful ladies in the kitchen make the best food you would ever believe. We have lunch and dinner waiting on us when we get done. Come in for 2 weeks, we do the 8-hour class, and then afterwards is great. We've got miniature golf out here. We've got a game room with pool tables, Xbox, PlayStation. I mean, if you're bored, because you're in your room not doing nothing.
Basically, everything's paid for. You're gonna get your PPE on the job. Our program's 100% free, don't cost them a penny.
If college is not your route and you're looking to get paid more than average without going into any debt, you join a laborers union, you learning all these things, you're getting paid well.
Go somewhere where you can build your future, you know what I mean? You don't have to stay with the same company, but as long as you pay your dues and stay in the union, that still racks up to your retirement, your pension, and you have insurance for yourself, or if they have any grandkids for me, they'll have it too. And regular construction jobs don't offer none of that.
25 years, 50,000 hours, you can retire, full benefit package, retirement paid. Our insurance, Blue Cross Blue Shield, is phenomenal. These young people getting in, I mean, they can retire in their 40s with full out benefit package.
They do a little bit of everything. So we might be at a sewage plant building the scaffolding for a welder to weld something up in it, or I might be pouring a driveway back where they had to fix a leak, or the company's building a new training center for them, so we've been in there demoing an old building for them so they can remodel it into their new training center.
I say getting in and getting a job and working steady and getting good reviews from bosses, my proudest moment, just being a good worker. When I'm done, it makes you just kind of proud of yourself. The thing I like the most is I go to work and I got a group of guys around me that don't mind helping me out. They understand that I'm an apprentice and all I have to do is ask a question. I'm learning something new every day on the job.
What it means to me, you're going to run into somebody that's in the labor. It's a family. It's a brotherhood.
They just real, you know what I mean? They're a tight-knit family here. It makes you feel welcome.
We train in like 350 different things that we do in the field. Our task is unlimited.
I'm working a lot. I already have my own place, own car, just already ahead in life, just joining the labor union.
If you're not planning on going to college, go somewhere where you can build your future. Stick with it. This is a wonderful program, and if you're in it, do your time, do what you need to do, and stick with it.
It's an amazing opportunity. It changes their lives.
If you want to join the trades, go to wvtrades.org.